Kidz Korna is very strong on empowering our babies. And I don't know about y'all, I just got to take a few moments to talk about this because once y'all leave here, these toys, y'all won't keep them no more than what? They're going to be gone quick. Thank you. But somebody said 60 days. But meanwhile, we're trying to keep y'all alive. Chicago has a real problem right now. And it's going to take all of us in this room to do something about the gun violence. This is just a setup. I just got y'all here so we can talk about it. Is that good? All right, can I get a parent that might want to come up and say something? We want to see y'all grow up. That's why we do this program. When I grow up, I want to be a something. I want to get one of the babies who put on one of the costumes to come tell us what she want to be when she grow up.
I'll be a hairstylist.
Okay. So many people donate to Kidz Korna Christmas event because we care and we want to empower you guys. Just trying to keep y'all alive, that's all, so y'all can enjoy these gifts. Another baby who wants to tell us what she want to be when she grow up.
I want to be an artist.
So what do you want to be when you grow up?
A doctor.
We need to do whatever we can to keep y'all safe.
Chicago, our babies are being killed. Our babies are dying. What can we do to stop this? And I got up here and spoke because back in 2014, my son was shot in the head. Thank God he's living right now today, walking around with a bullet in his head. He's still competent, but he deals with PTSD. He's afraid to be outside at night. At Juarez, 2 teenagers got killed after getting out of school, and if they didn't tell y'all, 2 blocks away, 2 more teenagers was killed that same day within an hour. We got to get together as women, men, parents, grandparents, communities, teachers. We got to work with the police because a lot of kids not making it out here. And it's getting out of hand, y'all. It's getting out of hand. If y'all saw the news this morning, over the weekend, we had 23 children under the age of 21 that had been shot. 8 of those died. Do y'all homework, do y'all math, baby. I don't know if it's a death angel out here that's hunting us or whatever, but please, watch y'all kids.
And we'll rise up, high like the waves, and we'll rise up, high like the waves, we'll rise up, and we'll do it 1,000 times again. And we'll rise up, high like the waves, and we'll rise up, high like the waves, we'll rise up, and we'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you.
Son had died on Halloween because they were shooting, and then also my cousin, her other cousin died also on Halloween. And I just want to let everybody know, be safe and try to spread some kindness around.